Hey guys, welcome back to Bartlow's Barbecue, and today we're smoking, and that's right, you know it, barbecue chicken wings. And some like to call that the barbecue king of wings, and we're gonna show you some tips and tricks on how I do it. So here we go, let's do it. Well, hey friends, we're back, and here's a step to making these barbecue chicken wings really tasty. So for chicken, I really do like to brine that poultry. I use Alana's brining process. It's really cool. And you just take a half cup of that brine, you put it in a gallon size Ziploc, and then we're just gonna dump this chicken right in here, and then we're gonna fill it up with water, let it sit for a few hours, and then we will pat them dry, do a little bit more seasoning before we get them on the grill. And we'll be showing you that next step here in a moment. But like I said, take this glass of water and we're gonna pour it in here. That's right. Let it sit in there. Nice. And we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. And we will let that sit in the refrigerator and let it just soak up all the flavors, and we'll be back showing you putting a little bit more rub on the chicken and then on the Kamado. All right, friends, we've been brining for a few hours and now we pat it dry, and I'm just gonna add a light barbecue seasoning in addition to some of the other wet brining, just to kind of give it that barbecue look. A little flip. All right, my friends, we are just gonna go ahead and put these on the Kamado. Holy friends, we have a finished product. These wings are up to temp, looking nice and golden. Got my barbecue rub on there, just enjoying the cook. Hey guys, well thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the process of making barbecue smoked wings. It was a lot of fun. We just finished it up. I'm about to throw a pineapple on there for a side, which is gonna be a lot of fun too. Hey, if you like this video, like it, subscribe, turn on that notification. Hey, and also comment on the video. I'd love to know your thoughts on the barbecue and also get your tips. This is a barbecue community. I'm learning and growing with you from my backyard to yours. So hope you're enjoying the process, and hey, be generous in your cooking, give it away, have a lot of fun this weekend. A little side to add flavor to your barbecue. Let that smoke. Kamado says hi. Now he's saying bye. My other taste tester, Miss Faith. How many have you had?
3.
And
the third one.
Tell me what you think of them, and like, what does it taste like?
So when you start eating it, it tastes like it's spicy, and then when you get into the meat inside of it, it's like you don't taste the spiciness anymore, and it's really good.
Awesome. So you give me 2 thumbs up.
I give you 100.
Whoa, that's amazing. You're the best. What do you think?
I give you 25 cents.
You charge 25 cents? That's really good. Hey guys, if you like what you saw, I'd love for you to subscribe. Hit that notification button, make a comment. Thanks for being here.